Howdy folks, here I've got an automatic Coop door that I've put together using a automatic car antenna with a paracord mounted to the tip using a hose clamp, and also an American flag up there just for fun. I ran the cord down to a pulley mounted to the side of a box where I mounted the automatic antenna, and then from there the paracord runs underneath the roof of my coop to another pulley which I have right above the door, and then from there ties a knot around a screw that I screwed into the center top of the door. That door slides up and down using between some wood that I've mounted to the opening of the door there, and I cut some channels in those side pieces of wood using my table saw. In my shed, I've got a 12-volt DC timer that is powered with an old transformer that I had lying around my house and wired up with an old extension cord that I cut the ends off of and just used the wires to wire up the timer to the antenna, and I ran that cord under the ground through some conduit that I had. You can find instructions for wiring, I believe, in the instruction manual that comes with the timer. I'll leave links for the items I'm using here in my description of the video. You can find them on Amazon. With the proper time settings on your timer, you can have this setup automatically take care of opening and closing your coop so that you don't have to. I've got to give a big thank you to two other YouTube channels that gave me the ingredients for this project. Those would be No Line Please and Mike and Lauren. Thanks a lot, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.